How to start learning Python into the Encode app. If you have been using the Encode application and wondering on how to learn Python on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto Settings at the top right corner. Select it. Then here you can find the Change Course option. Tap on it. So it is on to the web right now. So to learn Python, here you can find Python right here onto the Learn to Code. Now tap onto Python. Select it. And now you can see the course has been changed. So from here you can simply dive into Python and learn to build your own programs from the scratch. And that's it. This is how you can learn Python into the Encode app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.